They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Too far? Fine. This is me, Harley Quinn. When I was a kid, my dad traded me for a six-pack of beer. But however many times he tried to ditch me, I kept coming back. Eventually, he found me a new home. The good sisters of St. Bernadette's taught me a lot. But I was never an establishment kind of gal. All things considered, I did good. I even went to college, got my PhD. Had my heart broken once or twice. Finding love, it's not easy. So I threw myself into my work, became a psychiatrist. That's when I met him, Mr. J, my Joker. Oh, I fell hard. Like, out of a plane without a parachute right in your dumb fucking face kind of hard. I lost all sense of who I was. I only had eyes for pudding. We all know the saying, behind every successful man, there's a badass broad. Well, that was me. I was the brains behind some of Mr. J's greatest stunts. Not that he let anyone know it. I guess all good things have to come to an end. So, we broke up. I handled it real mature, but Mr. J was super broke up about it. I got an amazing new place that was all mine. It gave me the space to really reflect on the mistakes of my past. I had to find a new identity. A new me. It wasn't easy, but after a while, I even opened myself up to the possibility of new love. Here's the thing about new love.
I take payment in kind.
You have to feed it. Soon enough, I was back on my feet, ready to move on, to make new friends. With me! It was time for Gotham to meet the new Harley Quinn. So I really put myself out there.
God damn it! Sit the fuck down.
What?
I said, sit your skinny ass down, you dumb slut.
Okay.
You broke my fucking legs!
Oh, boo-hoo.
What?
It's not a party without a little drama, am I right? Come on, turn it up. Shots on the house.
Call me dumb. I have a PhD, motherfucker.
Miss Quinn,
Romy.
that was my driver.
Oh, whoops.
Well, I'm sure it was his fault. Consider him fired.
Consider me grateful, especially since I know you don't like me. I agitate his already delicate sense of mental equilibrium, that and his obsessive-compulsive need to be the center of attention.
Will your paramour be joining us this evening?
Not tonight, Romy. Not tonight.
Well, enjoy yourself, Miss Quinn, and do give the Joker my best.
Okay, fine, so I hadn't told people about the breakup, but